Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Visual Studio extension which actually shows the bundle sizes of NPM packages while you are importing them inside your application. So for that there is actually an extension that you need to install. Simply go to the extensions tab right here, just click it, and right here just search for bundle. So as you will search for bundle, the second extension which comes right here, bundle size, it is developed by this developer Amber, and it has got 48,000 week downloads. Simply click it and it will show you the live preview of it. As you import any third-party packages, it will show you the size here on the right hand side, and simply click on install, and now the extension has been globally installed. So now you just need to first of all make the package.json file npm init-y. This will create a package.json file, and now you can install any third-party package. npm express, which is a web server. Malter is a file upload library. So you can install any third-party packages. So now you can see the packages is installed. So now we can simply make our index.js file. So just change the type parameter here to module, because we will be using the import statement. So import express from express. So now as you basically do this, on the right hand side, if you see, it is exactly telling you the size of this package, which is 796 kilobytes, but for production the code will be minified and it will be coming out to be 264 kilobytes zipped. And if you hover onto this package, you will actually see more details of this package, breakdown of each and everything which is there in this package. The overall size is 796, 100%. This is taking 133 kilobyte size. So it is basically showing the dependencies of this express web server package. It is breaking down all the minute details, all the external packages which this package are dependent upon. So this is a very handy extension guys in Visual Studio. While developing your application, it's really easy to see the bundle size of each and every package. You will actually see this package.json file for this express package. It is actually dependent upon these uh, packages. You can see the actual details of them as well. So similarly, we can also import Malter package as well. Similarly, then again you will see 212 kilobyte. This is the overall size, 43 kilobyte zipped, and you can actually see the details of this package, all the other packages which this package depended upon. You can just see. Now you can actually use this constructed app.listen 5000. Then you can actually make your application. This is really handy. While developing the package, you are simply seeing the details of all the third-party packages. So this makes it really easy if you want to just detect which package is taking how much space. So now you can simply open this application. So basically we haven't created any route, but you get the concept. I just wanted to show you this extension. So now you can see we are having this simple express app, and we are actually using these two packages. Now to actually change the details of the colors, you have a user settings of this. You can simply type on your keyboard Control Shift P. It will open this shortcut of, and here you can just type here user settings. This is the JSON file which is there for VS Code. If you want to change the settings of any extension in VS Code, simply you can change these settings in this file, which is the user settings JSON file. Simply open that and you will open this settings.json file. So for each plugin which is available for each extension in VS Code, we can change the settings by changing this JSON file. And all the extensions which are installed. So for this extension also, if you go to the docs here, they will exactly tell you the, so these basically comes with this own, you will actually see all these settings comes with the default settings. So you can simply copy this, uh, just copy this, just put a comma and paste it. I think we need to search for this bundle. If you want to basically change the color here, let's suppose there is a setting for this, which is, so here basically the default color is this one, which is red color. You can also change this color as well. uh, this is actually a property. Basically it tells you it is a string value, default value is this. So description is the default color for the size text. So you can change this color by providing a string value of whichever color that you want. Let's suppose I want to change it to uh, black color. So I will simply put here 000, and now if you refresh, uh, I think we do need to restart this. After you make those settings changes, you again need to restart your VS Code. So if you see the settings files that we do, bundle info color. So in this way, guys, you can change individual settings as well. So just search for that package, bundle size. Info color, caution color, danger color, loader, all these settings are there. So what you can do, you can even take help inside. I have this GitHub Copilot enable. So what I can do basically, I can actually make a task here. Just ask it in the chat. Please, I can simply say here, please provide the settings for bundle size VS Code extension to change the default color of red to blue. So we have this GitHub Copilot installed. So it will actually, you can see, you need to modify. So it will give you these settings. So what I will do to paste this setting. This is the actual overall extension, guys. Bundle size. So the main thing is it is doing it whenever you importing any third-party package. It's showing you the size of the that package. So it's really helpful for developing your applications. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well.